So let's not waste time. Please meet our first startup for today, Hesa Enterprises from India, who was lucky to open today's speech session. If you are ready, please introduce.
So let's start and good luck.
Yeah, I'm ready. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone, wherever you are. I'm very happy to be here. And let me share my screen. Yeah, you're able to see my screen?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
start.
So myself, Vamsi Udegri, I'm happy to be here. We are redefining the way commerce is done at rural. Let's look at a typical person living in a rural. Today they have day-to-day challenge in terms of depositing money, buying products, selling their products. Like how you and me in an urban can do in a jiffy, they have a lot of challenges because today there are a lot of services that are not available in the rural. And there are like 850 million people like Varalakshmi in India itself, and there are like many countries, many continents where there are a lot of people who are not able to access the way we access basic products and services. Predominantly, they are present in the tier 5 and 6, which is the deep rural or the semi-rural part of it. If we just look at it, like why they are largely left out and inaccessible, because businesses couldn't reach out to them. Because let's look at a village where there is 1,000 population, the cost of operation versus the revenues they can generate in each geography will never match. And added to that, you have a lot of supply chain constraints, relationship constraints, identifying the right customer. So all leads to an unviable unit economics. So because of which businesses couldn't reach out to the rural, and these consumers like Varalakshmi are not able to access the services like an urban consumer would avail. This is where HESA comes in by creating an aggregated platform of everything and anything that a rural consumer would need into a single platform, offered to a village level influencer or an entrepreneur whom we call as Hey Sati, who is physically present in a village, who is having social influence, because largely relationship and trust are the key driving factors for any business to flourish in rural. So it's like a village level influencer uses one aggregated platform, HESA, wherein he can cater to the rural consumers for their all banking needs, financial needs, agri inputs, outputs, their FMCG needs, insurance, loans, all bundled into a one single platform. And the advantage is this person is physically present in that particular village and who can influence those social segments. So if we have to summarize, it's a unified platform where consumers can avail all the services and needs that they have. Businesses can reach upon to their target consumers using the network of village level influencers we have. And in this process, we are creating livelihoods at scale. So this person whom we are talking about as a Hesati, he becomes a genie. Like in our olden, stories, we used to Aladdin story where we, they, rubs the lamp and genie comes in. There also we need to take an effort of rubbing the lamp. In this case, he's just a shout away. Like he or she, the Hesati, is solving multiple problems for the consumers because he is using one aggregated platform which can cater to the multiple needs of it. So in this process, we are making the economics viable, and we realized that we decoded that the way rural commerce has to be driven is to aggregate at one platform, offer to an influencer so that he or she can use this. So we become a marketplace, connecting all the ends. I know we are the platform where both buying happens, selling happens, because the same consumer, sometimes he becomes a buyer, sometimes he is a seller, because he has to buy a product also and sell his produce also. So that's how we are integrating multiple services or verticals for the rural consumer need. And this also becomes a platform where the brands can reach out to their target consumers. So we have beautifully blended a services layer on top of a transaction layer. So we are a B2B2C model. So where a microfinance organization is being helped to reach to a rural, a dairy organization reaches, an FMCG company reaches. We are the only platform who does both buy and sell in rural, and we are an asset light, model. And we are not sector agnostic. We are a rural centric focus because the economics in rural works this way only. So
Thank you very much. Time is over. You can click all slides till the end.
Yeah.